about your family plan?
Sure. You get 10 minutes a day to share with unlimited talk and text for a family of 4.
She's pushing buttons.
Sounds like a slam dunk.
Are you a basketball fan?
Cheer out of here.
The Real Housewives of New Jersey new season premieres Sunday, July 13th at 7 Central on Bravo.
I just felt like you knew that I was very hurt when I left that room. And I feel like you wanted to publicly punish me. You wanted this room full of people to know that you were pissed and that I had done something to you, and that's what I want to know why. So that's how I feel. That's how I feel. Maybe you were hurt, but I've been hurt for quite a few months. Dad and I have been really good friends too.
Who was that for?
They booked things and did it for me to make me comfortable. And I had nothing to do with it, except my only recourse was to not take the hit.
Because for one thing, I don't honestly believe that
Hey! No!
Do it for their cost anyway. Tons of producers around. Go ask them. Go call the owner of the fitness studio. Anything. Go.
the owner of the fitness studio has told other people in the fitness industry that you are the reason they're on there. That is not true. Isn't that just You're a very powerful person. I come into co-host once or twice, and I have all the power in the world to decide who they're for. You have your mind.
If you want to accept and you are accepted,
Hey! Dad, you took me around.
I did. And I wasn't willing to turn down the gig. And I didn't
So proud.
my parents expect you to turn down the gig.
Don't come at me.
And that's what I felt like I did the right thing. I told you before.
You're gonna put it in the damn wall.
Honk honk.
Just still on fight. You know what I mean?
Babe, you're gonna do damage. You're gonna fix her wall.
And I just feel like I've been with you so long now. I just feel like I just. Like, Anne, we're really good friends. If I wasn't your really good friend, I wouldn't have done that segment. You wouldn't have sitting here at lunch. We wouldn't be talking.
My friend listened to this segment. That was Heather Dubrow, the actress. I felt like I didn't even know you.
Dude, you're driving me crazy.
Who, Dad?
I hope that fucking thing dies.
At the dance party, and he blew her
Not
up.
you, the
He was
chair.
doing private.
She
Why
says
is
she
he
hopes
talking
I
about
die.